Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mercy here again, and I have another video. This is a continuation, so if you've watched the other one, thank you for watching it and thank you for coming back to watch the final video. So this is the hair that I bleached. This hair went through a lot. Like the hair has, I'm surprised that the hair is even still standing. Like it's not perfect like a normal colored hair should be like, but it's something. Like I can wear it once in a while, so it's not that I'm wearing it all the time. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Mercy. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. Even if I've not been consistent, but I'm still getting subscribers. Like I'm like, how, why? We're almost at 500 subscribers after like 5 years of being on YouTube. Really. So yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment if you've gone through this, if you've been like me that was ignorant and I didn't really know what I was doing. Please comment, and if you should be able to fix your over bleached or fried hair and it came out nice like this, please comment down below. So I'll see you guys in my next video. So guys, this is how the hair looked like after I bleached. I made that bleaching video in November, so it's like a very long time, but this new one was made like in March, so I left it for like few months just get everything together. Then this is how the hair looks like. It's really shiny. Like if I shake this hair, it sheds. Like it's that bad. And the closure went bald, so I'm going to be using a black dye to dye it to cover it up. And yeah, just keep on watching, and please, if you haven't subscribed up to this point, please do. As you can see now, I'm showing you the closure area is really bald, and I can't feel it because I feel it to be a waste of my time, so I just decided to use a black dye to cover everything up. So I put a warm water into a bucket and I'm using the silicone mix. I found that silicone mix actually is good for damaged hair, so I am putting the silicone mix into the water, using a comb to. So I'm using a comb to mix the silicone mix inside the water. And then I dip the hair inside, and I try to add more silicone mix just because I can, and I'm just using the comb to take the hair in circles inside the water, and I left it for I think almost an hour. I came back to turn it. Then this is the amount of shedding the hair actually went through. It's even little compared to before I used the silicone mix, so expect some shedding. Then I used the warm water, and I'm using the Revlon hair dye. It comes with the dye and the applicator and the conditioner. So I put the applicator first, then the dye, and I mixed everything together. Then I used the conditioner after I had dyed the hair. So this is how it looks like. At first I wasn't getting the color, but giving time, I think like 10-15 minutes, 20 minutes, the color started coming out. But I had already dipped the hair inside already. So I'm dipping the hair inside the water and the dye, and I'm just like turning it in circles. The color wasn't coming out immediately, but it actually came out later on. So expect this to happen with a box dye. Then I used the comb because the water was very hot. I used the comb to dip the hair very well inside the water, and yeah, so I'm dipping it inside and bringing it out so I can see how the color actually looks, but it wasn't coming already. So in this clip I left it for a few minutes, and as you can see, it's already coming out. It came out actually, and actually stained the lace, but that'll be fine because I'm going to be dyeing it black. So I squeezed the water out so that I can see the actual color of the hair, and I dipped it back inside. I think I left it in from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. the next day. Then the next day I used the conditioner to wash the hair, and I was gifted this Redken hair solution for treated hair by a friend. Thank you, Mama, for this it worked wonders. Like I sprayed on the hair, left it for a few minutes, and the color and it came out strong. I think mixed with the silicone mix actually it's better than I had expected it to, because I was like, I wrote off on this hair that this hair was not going to work, but I was just doing this just to pass out time and just to see if it actually worked, and it did, guys. It actually brought the hair back to level, not 100%. So I washed the hair conditioner and I air dried it. I used a black dye on the roots to have a dark root effect. So yeah, so like after I had treated the hair, like all the hair was still standing. As you can see, it's a bit, as in I had to trim it because it was too long and I didn't really like how it was looking on me, so I had to trim it into a short bob. And the hair is nice, like even the back too. As you can see, it's like this is like orange, a less orange or so. Yeah, so I like to tuck it behind my ear because it gives me that fine baby girl look. Okay, now makeup is back. Okay, so yeah, guys, I posted a video earlier on this hair, so if you haven't watched it, I'll put it up so you guys can just click on it and watch to know how I messed this hair up. And yeah, and can you I would love for you guys to send me like video recommendations on what you would like to see, both bridal styling and normal video stuff. So I would like for you guys to send me a recommendation on what you would like to see from me. And like makeup, like I think I will soon film my everyday makeup, just trying to get my makeup things together. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. It's free, so you have nothing to worry about. So when I post, you'll be able to get notifications from YouTube whenever I post a new video. So yeah, guys, thank you so much.